So today we are looking at the QCY MeloBuds Pro. Mhm. So these are coming in Canadian wise about the $70 mark. So pretty decent price. Now they're not they would be, I can't speak. They wouldn't really be super budget, but they're definitely not flagship priced either. So they are going to be sitting somewhere in the middle. Now I do have a phone because we need to pair them. I do have a phone right here. Anyways, this is them here. It looks like I got them in gold, but they come in multiple colors, so depending on what you want. They say they get 10 meters for distance, approximately 2 hours to charge, standby time about 45 hours, music time about 8.5 hours, and they have a 400 milliamp battery inside. Pretty standard, right? You should be able to get the majority of your day with this. I do have a knife. So let's just open these up, get right into it. I tried their headphones out the other day, and I was very pleased with their headphones. I thought their headphones were quite nice, especially again at the price point. So let's just see what these are like. Gold, gold. Anyways, before we take the actual earbuds out, we are going to get a little accessory pack here. That's in there. That is in there. You're going to end up pulling your own fingernails off. Let's see if I can get those. My goodness, that is in there snug. Yes, sir. Okay, so inside here, you are going to get, let's see. How does that open? Like that. Okay, so you're going to get you're going to get some extra tips to make sure that they fit in your ears properly. Looks like there's 2 extra pairs. And you're going to get a wee tiny USB-A to USB-C cable. So just kind of be aware, like everybody nowadays, and I'm done complaining about it, but yet I'm not. You're not getting a long cable. Small is good, I guess, for travel and stuff like that, but just realize it's tiny. And then you're getting the earbuds, right? That's them there. Underneath this, you are going to get your little manual to go through and get all your different kind of information on how to actually connect them, what the actual buttons do, where the mics are, etc., etc. One-click device switching, so it looks like you can connect 2 different devices to this. So that's kind of nice. So if you do have 2 phones, or you have a computer and a phone, you can switch between those. That's good. I'm down with that. Anyways, let's just put that over there, and that would be them. That would be them right there. I like that little case. It looks super elegant. Yes? Look at that. That's all right. There's going to be a little button. My best guess would be this would tell us that we have power. Maybe that's 100%. I don't really know. Anyways, let's bring out my actual phone here. We'll open up Bluetooth just to see if we can get these to actually connect, because kind of important to know what they sound like. Yes? So we'll bring that right there. Once we open them, the light does turn on. Okay, but you will see inside here, for one, they do have these little plastic things. I'm just going to lay them off to the side, which means they probably won't pair until they go back in. They are fairly hefty, right? They are fairly hefty. Is that another? Oh yeah, it does say remove. Okay, so there's one there too. This is where it covers the actual charging connector. So we're going to put that one back in. This one, I'm guessing, has the same thing. Yes, it does. Remove. I can follow instructions sometimes. Okay. Put that back in. Excellent. Now you'll see still got a little dot. Okay. Let's bring this back up. Anything? Open. Let's just see. Sometimes they need... Oh, there they are. Boom, right? So as soon as you have that stuff off, you're good to go. And we are connected. All right. I'm not normally a gold person, but I like when brands send me different colors because, then you guys get to see them. It's kind of I don't know, it's like a skin kind of tone, kind of goldy kind of color. It's different. Let's just put this in. They feel very much like the original Apple AirPods, whatever they were called. I don't use them, so I don't know. Anyways, those just fit in there. They supposedly have, I think it's like 46 I think it's 46 dBs of noise canceling. And again, for 69 bucks to get anything nowadays that has noise canceling, I think that's decent, a decent price. So first off, let's just see this right now. Is there a, just try to see if there's anything. Am I going to have to get to manual? I don't want to. Oh, something started. That's good. Now, the other thing too is I'm curious because there is a QCY app. I wonder if they'll actually see them. So let's just see. Oh, I got to log in here. Let's just give me a second. Welcome to using this. Let's just see if anything shows up. I'm curious. Add earbuds. And they may not, right? I don't know if it says anywhere in there that it has anything. It seems to be going through. And it could be oh, there they are, connecting. So it took a little bit of time, but it's okay. They connected. Now, it has been saying connecting for a fair bit of time, and then it flickers off and then back on again. So my curiosity is that it sees them, but I also wonder if, because they are new, I don't know if maybe the app needs to be updated. So I'm just going to check to see if there's anything there, right? To see if there's any kind of updates, which it does not. Let's see, anything QCC-ish. It does not look like it. So be aware. Did I turn this off? I did. I'm just going to reopen it again just to see. QC, was it QCY? See if it'll find anything, because it was weird that it actually had me logged out too. See there? Oh, there we go. See? Boom. QCYs. Good. More settings. I understand. Allow all using the app. And we are at 100%. Very good. We can go into these. Product color. Also, you got different, mine are the gold ones. I think that's strictly just so they look pretty up there. But that's it. You have status, you have sound. So, okay, so we have noise canceling. So noise canceling is actually on right now. And it's okay. It's good. They say like 46. I'm going to say maybe. This definitely is taking out a lot of the neutral sounds. Okay, transparency, pass through they call it. Okay. That's actually not too bad. I'll just make sure that's in there. They have a vocal boost too, so that it actually, oh yeah, it definitely does amplify your actual voice. I like that actually. And then they have normal. ANC off, goes normal, back to ANC. But I do like they have adaptive ANC, but they actually have a whole bunch. You can see them down here. Adaptive, indoor, commuting, noisy, anti-wind noise. You can kind of come in here. Right, so it has different levels that they have, noisy environment. And you can actually increase the amount. Okay, that's cool, right? So each of these you can go in and increase. I don't know if you could do that from the actual headphones themselves, but you can do it from the actual app, which I like. And then again, you have here the transparency. I do like this vocal boost. That's cool. And then you have sound effects, so default, spatial sound, pop, heavy bass. So if you wanted heavy bass, you could click. Can I click on this? Yep. So it actually will change it. And I'm going to go to normal just because I like that for sound. Okay, we'll go in here and take a listen. Ready? Let's see if we can go back. Oh, the heavy bass has got some bass to it for sure. You can just hear the kind of rumble in the background. Okay, let's just go through them, right? Actually, I like the heavy bass. Is there more? Oh yeah, rock, soft, classic, right? So if I go to rock, does it have... It doesn't, there it goes. It takes all the touch. Okay. Classic. You see the app, it's like, I don't know, it's a little slow. It definitely changes them, for sure. Rock and heavy bass seem to be fairly similar. Ready? We'll go back here, ready? Rock. See, it takes, I don't know if it just, there it goes. Rock's got a little bit more kick in the highs. Heavy bass. And heavy bass definitely has more, but it's good. Actually, I think I like for rock songs, you just have to tap and wait. Yeah, not bad. And volume-wise, okay. And if you clicked on noise canceling, sound is still good. Transparency mode. She sounds the best, of course, in normal and noise canceling. Okay, that's cool. I like them. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now. So hold on. right? Keep only, always allow. Sure. I'm down. Okay, so let's actually kill that song, and we'll bring up Black Magic here so we can figure out what the mic sounds like. And I'll just do a quick recording. So go into my settings. You should be able to see, right? It's set to the Melo Buds Pro. Okay, down camera. Let's just bring this to the side and record. All right, so now we are actually getting audio from the QCY MeloPod Pros, and you should be able to get an idea of what these actually sound like. The meters are coming good. The meters show me in the yellow to red, so this shows that they're peaking a little bit, but not too bad. But other than that, you guys are getting a unaltered sound test of the actual microphone. All right, let's go back to the normal mic. All right. So you know what? They sound good. And if I come up here, you should be able to see uh your audio. So it shows up on my screen, right? I have 89% battery on the two of them. I think that actually includes this. And my guess would be the moment that I put these in, having issues. Calm down. These in here, then they should completely disconnect. What is wrong with me? There's something going on here. Anyways, like that, click. They should start charging, right? They disconnect from here, as you can see, right? Disconnected. Very cool. You know what? 69 bucks. I don't think you'll complain. I love this little color. Not that I would normally buy this color, but I think it's lovely, right? It's a nice color. It's a nice design. Not that the case matters, but sound quality is decent. I'd say it's actually batting above what it should. Bass, I love the equalizer. That ability to kick up the bass or have those pre-built in equalizers, very nice. And the actual transparency mode works really good. I love that voice, that it's designed for voice. Good. And the active noise canceling seems good. Like I do have a fan that runs back here to keep my lights cool, and I definitely couldn't hear it. So I guess that's a perk. And it does have that different customization in the actual active noise canceling for determining what kind of environment you're in and how much noise canceling. So that's also cool. It is all inside the app, so you want to have the app available. Anyways, 69 bucks. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to leave links down below to where you can get it. And that's it for me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you fine folks next video. Later. I don't know what I'm like. Yay, something.